Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be using the Sinful Colors Shade Boss single eyeshadows that I found at the Dollar Tree. Yes, these babies technically are 50 cents each. You get two for $1 and they're powdery. So you're going to need some kind of powder under your eye or a shadow shield to catch all the fallout. But they are so beautiful. We're using the Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're going to be picking up one of these LaColors Mermaid eyeshadow pencils. And I cannot remember the name, but this is the one that's got the purple that has the blue shift to it. First shade we're picking up is Wicked, and it also is like a fuchsia with a blue shift to it. It's a beautiful shade, and look how pigmented that is. And the only downside that I can say about these is that they are powdery. They lasted all day, very colorful and vibrant, just like they are here. And I'm just patting that all over the lid onto the eyeshadow pencil. We're going to blend on the edges to that, you guys. And then we're going to pick up another shadow, and this one is called Starry Eyed. Very beautiful purple. Unfortunately, the shimmers really don't transfer to the eye. Maybe if you're using on the lid, patting them into a base for something for them to stick to. But applying on the eye, actually these come out this one comes out matte in the crease. And you have to build it up a little bit, but I mean, a lot of times, what shade don't you have to build up? So that's okay with me. These were so cheap, and they were a wonderful find because they're actually really good quality. Also, a little fun fact here, if there was audio to this video, not just the voiceover, if you could hear the background, I'm listening to Jerry the King Lawler documentary, followed by a Eric Bischoff documentary. If you didn't know already, I really like wrestling. Yeah, little fun fact there for you guys. And we're going to be taking this Erotic Black shade now, and I'm just going to be applying that with a pencil brush, and I'm going to kind of do a C shape in the outer corner here and blend it out. Don't want to go overboard with the black. The best thing I can tell you with dark shades is little at a time, little at a time, little at a time. It's kind of like using salt or pepper. You just want to pepper it in there just a little bit, you know, so you don't go overboard. Now I'm going to take a little bit of purple, and I'm going to blend the edges of the black so they mesh together really well. They already blend together really nicely, but if you have a dark shade and then you go back over with whatever crease color too, it definitely helps blend that in. So we're using the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin for our highlight. The Sinful Colors highlight that I have is just too shimmery for up there, so you'll see later what we're going to do with it. I got 10 of these eyeshadows, and I used 6 of them in this tutorial. Just went ham on it. I'm loving them. They're so nice. If you see them and you're into eyeshadows, I highly recommend picking them up. Now next up, we're using that highlighter shade, and it's called Proud. And we're going to apply that to the highest point of our brow bone. Just there. That's it. We're going to blend it down with the other highlight, and it just gives a little bit of pop of shimmer when you kind of turn your head, it catches the light, you know. And I've been doing that a lot lately in my looks. I like how it looks. And wipe away your fallout there. Next up, we're using Evil Eye, a very beautiful shimmery teal shade, and we're taking a smudger eyeshadow brush and applying it to the lower lash line. And I've done something a little bit different. I brought it around the edges of the purple there on the outer corner, and typically I will bring it up a little bit in there. It almost looks like just a wing of color, but I just really liked how that looked today. This shadow is called Flaunt. It's a white blue duochrome, and if I had to do this over right here, we would place a white eyeliner down. We would place a white shimmery pencil or a white pencil in general in the inner corner first to have something for the shadow to stick to. It's a little bit sheer, It does build up. It works perfect for the inner corner for this look because we're using the purple and like magenta kind of shade there. And we're going to tightline. And for the lower lash line, I'm using the LaColors Auto Pencil in white. Yes, and this is actually pretty good white eyeliner. I like it. And we're using the Unshakeable liquid eyeliner again. Once again, there's going to be a review coming soon. And we're just doing a thin line there. Totally messed my eyeshadow up, tried to fix it. Didn't work, so we deal with it. We roll with it. And we're using the Benefits Bad Gal Bang Lash Mascara. Loving this mascara. Thank you, Christy. It's so nice. So yes, here's the finished look, and we're wearing a nude lip. You can wear whatever you want to, whatever you feel comfortable wearing. This is Kate Rimmel lipstick in number 14. And look how green my eyes look because we're wearing those purples there. Yes, so beautiful. Fun fact also, only 2% of the population have green eyes. Yes, and we're using that Hard Candy Glow Setting Spray, which I'm in love with now that it's spring. And yes, there's our look. I'm also using a duochrome highlighter from the Balm, and it is so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial, found it helpful. Try to look out for yourself. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to check the description box for additional links and a product list.